Hi, this is Adam Gates with Subaru of Portland. Normally we're going to be chatting about one of the models in our awesome Subaru lineup, but today we're going to talk about two accessories that can enhance the safety of already the safest vehicle on the road. As we come to the back here, my friend Sean, wake up. There he is. My friend Sean here is going to show you our Pulse rear collision deterrent. Now, every Subaru comes with 3 taillights on the back. You have your 2 mains on either side of the vehicle, and then you have your top tailgate light. Now, the Pulse rear collision deterrent only affects this top light. So if Sean goes ahead and hits the brakes, you're gonna see it flash 4 times in the rear. It's just to kind of get people's attention, especially after a long period of driving where you're kind of hypnotized by the road, thinking about your day, thinking about vacation, whatever it is you're kind of doing to unwind in the vehicle, okay? So if Sean hits the brake again, you see it flash. Now, if he hits it multiple times in a row, you can see it doesn't flash all the time. We're not trying to have it flash every time you hit the brakes. It's only after an extended period of driving. Just kind of wake people up and say, hey, we're stopping after a long time of driving. So we went over the Pulse rear collision deterrent. In the front, we have our Dashcams Protect dash cameras. We looked at a lot of options. We found this one to be the easiest to use and the most convenient. Number one, for the proprietary software that comes with it, you just download a Dashcams Protect app. All the videos come to your phone through a Wi-Fi connection in the camera housing. Then we also liked how it integrated into the vehicle. It turns on every time you turn on your car, just by the ignition. There's no hanging wires, there's no issues. There's also nothing you have to do on your own to make sure the camera's working. It does a 2-hour recording, overwrites every 2 hours. God forbid there's an impact. There's a gimbal inside the housing that immediately takes the last 2 minutes and sends it to your phone. So on the interior here, as far as the dash cam goes, the best thing is what you don't see. You don't see a lot of hanging wires. You don't even see the camera in an already crowded windshield because it's directly behind the rearview mirror. Visibility is usually important in safety. These are just in case. These accessories can be added to any vehicle available for sale at Subaru of Portland. We would love to chat with you about it and answer any questions you have. We look forward to seeing you.